Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit that we have. I was walking around on the lot and just saw this trailer sitting here and thought, oh, I should do a video on this. It's a really cool trailer. It's got some good features to it. This is a 2018 Haulmark Passport, 8.5 by 24 plus a 2-foot V. So this trailer is going to measure 8.5, 26 total, and it's really good looking. It's got the double side race door, which we usually don't do, so that's kind of a cool feature. It also has the black mod wheels on it, so dresses it up a little bit, keeps it from being plain Jane. This one is on a heavy duty extended tongue. It is a triple tube tongue on a 6-inch frame. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom as well, and then you guys can see there's your nice V-nose front cap there. Here is your double race door. So this is the same kind of door in what we have on our $20,000-$30,000 race trailers. So it's pretty cool that there's one of these on this unit. It does have the RV lock on it, and then you've got all the holdbacks, so you can fold both those doors open and have a nice big opening there. 250-200-pound axles, again with brakes and your black mod wheels. This one's in a silver color. It does have drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. You do have side vents as well. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, and you have a transition flap on here, so great for cars or if you guys need to roll anything in and out of the trailer. Come inside here and take a peek. You've got full Drymax walls and floor. So this product is an engineered product. It doesn't absorb any water. It's a moisture wicking material, so not like plywood where it's going to absorb it and warp and shrink. This product is much more substantial, will last a lot longer, and the biggest bonus is then you also have the Drymax underneath the trailer as well, so better for longevity. Haulmark does a one-piece all aluminum roof. You guys can see right there, you've got a couple overhead lights. This one is a 7-foot interior height. Now we're gonna have typically 6'6" at the rear door because of your spring, but we're gonna gain back 3 inches because this one also has a dovetail. So good for the brake and angle coming into the trailer, but also gives us a few more inches at the rear door. So you're gonna have approximately a 7'2", 7'3" rear door opening here. You've got 4 D-rings, 2 here at the back, 2 more up at front there. This one also has a nice escape door on it with the RV lock. And again, you've got these upgraded walls and floors. It's really good product to have in your trailers. Here's your 2 more D-rings here. They're pulled back a little bit, so in place where you need them to tie down cars, and then you've got some additional storage up here in the front with having that 2-foot V-nose front. And then nice step coming into the trailer, so that's a nice easy transition as well. Here's the back side of that RV lock. You guys can see it does have a lock latch and a set of keys on it. And then your little toggle switch right here next to the side door in a great convenient location, which will turn on your overhead lights. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, give us a call. We offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state of Colorado, and we'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485, or check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.